friends, it's Miss Georgine again for another Tiny Sprout Science lesson. This week we're talking about trees. It's a special week because on Wednesday we have Earth Day where we celebrate the earth, sort of like a birthday. And on Friday we celebrate trees called Arbor Day. And so we're going to learn about trees. And I have two friends to tell you a little bit about why they like trees. They're my bird friends. This is Mr. Cedar Waxwing, and he has a kind of a quiet chirp. Listen. And this is the goldfinch, and he has a pretty song. Listen to this. The goldfinch gets his gold feathers when it gets warmer out in the spring and summertime. They're going to say some things about trees.
Hi, I'm the Cedar Waxwing, and I like trees because they give me a place to build my nests, and I can find food to eat from some trees like the berries.
I like trees too. I'm the goldfinch, and I eat seeds and berries too. And I like the trees for a place to hide from animals who eat birds like cats.
I like trees because they give us fresh air to breathe, and they give us shade to stay cool.
Yeah, trees are pretty good to have around. We have to plant more trees, don't you think?
Yeah, I think so too.
This tree is kind of a tall tree. It is a grapefruit tree. Now, grapefruits aren't growing on this tree because I have it inside where it's not real sunny and the winters are too cold. But other places they can grow outside, like in Florida, and they can grow grapefruits there. And I also have a special evergreen. It's called the Norfolk pine. And this one's a little miniature tree. It does get bigger, but not bigger than me usually. And it has soft pine needles. They don't poke or prick. So these two trees like living in my house. But in the summertime when it's warm out, I like to get them outside on the porch and give them fresh air and fresh rainwater to help them grow. So way down here where the soil is, we have some roots growing. The stem or trunk. Then coming out of the trunk, we have these branches growing. And off of the branches grows the beautiful green leaves. And the leaves have a very important job. They take the sun's energy and turn it into food and put it back to the tree so the tree can grow. And sometimes flowers. Most trees have a kind of a flower. And seeds.
Hi, this is Miss Ann from Georgia. I am Miss Georgine's sister, and I'm here to show you my lemon tree. Here are the flowers of the lemon tree. They're very pretty. And once those flowers go away, then the fruit of the lemon starts. Lemons are green until they ripen, and then they become yellow. And here's the peach tree in my yard. And here is a peach.
These, friends, are all different things I found when I was going outside to look at our trees in the neighborhood. These things are pretty safe for you to explore and handle and feel and see how if they're prickly or smooth. Listen to their sounds. These are fun. Just to explore what comes off of trees. Leaves and seeds and some of their bark. So now, friends, we're going to plant a couple of baby trees that I found. So I have a pot with lots of soil in it, and it has holes in the bottom. And I've been soaking the roots in there. And I'm going to kind of make a little hole and set them so they are going to be, the roots will be covered. So You can see these are the roots of the plant for this tree. So I'm going to put these here. Friends, I added lots of soil. And now I press down on it, make it nice and firm. And all of the little trees have their own space to grow. And then I pour water over it and give them a nice long drink to make sure that they can get adjusted to their new home. And when the water comes out the bottom, I know that it's nice and wet inside for them. And they should grow pretty well. You can see some of them have started their little green leaves. Thank you, trees, for all you do for all of us in the world.